Okay, this is Max Witzler, Elite Realty, Murray, Kentucky. We're out at Wildcat Creek Lake Access. This is on, it's Wildcat Bay, part of Blood River, which is one of the biggest bays off Kentucky Lake. This is a public boat ramp, good 2-lane ramp, courtesy dock. We have a gorgeous day. It's April 26th, 2021. Some of the fishing regulations: 10-inch on crappie, 20 a day. Then 15-inch on largemouth, 6 a day. Looks like lots of parking. Gorgeous day. I'm not sure whether I'd rather be turkey hunting or crappie fishing. Porta potty. Lots of parking. Any luck? Dang it. Uh-oh. Well, that hurts the video. I'm sorry. Filming for a real estate video.
Oh, yeah?
Here we are out on courtesy dock. Summer pool out here is $359. Level right now is about $357.8. The target date is May 1st. Today's the 26th of April, so May 1st is when they want to have it at summer pool, $359. Winter pool's $354. It barely ever gets there. It's usually $354, 7 or 8, up to $355 range. But anyway, back at Wildcat Bay here, you can see some people there that are spider rigging. There's quite a few crappie beds in the back. Over here is Water's Edge Marina. You can buy gas, rent a slip over there, get bait. That's Panorama Shores, one of the waterfront subdivisions. Blood River, the main lake's out this way, comes in, comes around here, goes back behind, it goes behind this subdivision, turns into what's called Crappie Hollow, which is the last little bay before it turns back into a creek. Back there, there's lots of shallow cover, a lot of crappie beds. Out here, they do a lot of deeper, a lot of people put in deeper crappie beds, attractors. Also have a handicap fishing pier over here. Courtesy dock. Let's walk over on the handicap pier. It's a good 2-lane boat ramp. No charge to launch or park. This is all public ground back in here. Several thousand acres. You can hunt deer, turkey, squirrel, mushrooms, trash cans. This nice shady spot. It's a handicap fishing pier. I think it's been here about 6 years or so. Get a little idea of the lake shore. Some of the buckbrush growing. Some cover. Somebody's lost the dock. Tied off there. They put snake beds down around the pier to bring in the crappie. It's been here since, well, sometime after 2015. So they do have fishing tractors out around it. That's Wildcat Ramp. Max Witzler, Elite Realty, 520 Main Street, Murray, Kentucky, 270-853-1911. Thank you very much. Bye.